Okay, here's our 3D rendering of the kitchen. 38-degree wall, sink, trash compactors, and then our island is 96 inches. These cabinets on the back are 16 deep, so we'd have an overhang off the back side, and we'll have to dial in the plumbing. Cooktop cabinet, double oven, or oven microwave like you have laid out in the fridge here. So looking at it in 3D mode here, a shaker panel on the right side, the 48-inch built-in fridge, dishwasher on the left side, and this is a little bit of a tricky corner. This is one option to do a cabinet like this, and this couldn't go in until after the countertops were on, but just a decorative cabinet to put in the corner and help cover up that angle if that works. And this door opens up and lays pretty much flat against the face of these cabinets to allow access into the back here. The cooktop would sit here, your appliance hood, oven, and microwave. These are our cabinets on the back of the island that are 16 deep, and the face of the island, two trash compactors, the sink cabinet, and then a drawer stack on the right side here, and the cabinet in between, a tray divider for cookie sheets just to split or put in between the appliances. So that's our kitchen layout. We look at the master, pretty simple. This wall was 48 inches, 12-inch uppers, 16-inch base cabinets, and then the laundry room that we have here, washer and dryer. That door, I don't know if this is the correct position for the door, but it really doesn't matter too much. It wasn't framed up when I was there. Lazy Susan in the corner. We could put an upper cabinet here, but with these angles as they are, if we have full height cabinets on this wall here, this would be a blank panel that this cabinet would die into. Two doors above it, so from below these doors is just dead space. We could possibly resize this and move this cabinet over a bit, but right now 1, 2, 3, these are all equal width cabinets. So if we want to get rid of some of this space, we'd have to push this over, and this would be narrower, and then these two would be the same width. But quite a bit of storage there. And again, just guesstimating where that window is. Base cabinets, and then the Lazy Susan in the corner here. So that's the layout that I've got so far. Let me know if this works, and we can keep dialing things in.